In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix buffering issues during your YouTube TV free trial. Buffering can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy your favorite shows or live sports. The good news is that there are several ways to address this problem. First, check your internet connection. YouTube TV recommends a minimum speed of 3 megabits per second for streaming, but higher speeds are better for HD or multiple devices. If your Wi-Fi is weak, try connecting directly via Ethernet or restarting your router. Next, close any unnecessary apps or devices using bandwidth, as they can slow down your connection. You can also lower the video quality in YouTube TV settings temporarily to reduce buffering. Additionally, clear the cache on your streaming device or app, as stored data can sometimes cause playback issues. Lastly, ensure your device's software and the YouTube TV app are updated to the latest version for optimal performance. If this video helped you resolve your buffering issues, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.